Alright, quick update. We got to the job. Shorty got everything done. It was just a matter of showing up and getting the last load. So let me show you what we got. He's finishing over there. I got the Freightliner and he's already loaded and way over the top. This is what's left. We're gonna finish it up, loading and get out of here. Well, we still gotta smooth this area out, but it's not a big deal. Now it kind of makes sense because the customer had somebody to show up to do the job and they walked up. All right, we're almost done. I think it's full. Just gonna smooth this out after with the bucket, with the smooth bucket. Oh boy. We're gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna get paid and get out of here.